Just finishing up our hike here at Castlewood Canyon State Park. It's late fall here in Colorado and everything on this day is just kind of dead. I'm sure it's a very pretty place in the summer, early fall, or even springtime, or heck, even winter with snow, but right now the scenery is just very dead. We're around the 6.5 mile mark. We did a figure 8 loop that takes you through the old dam and pretty much around the entire state park. It's a fairly popular state park, very popular with dogs. Lots of people have dogs out here. You're not going to find too much peace and quiet. There's an airport right down the street. We've been listening to planes passing by pretty much all day. There is a fee to enter the Colorado State Park. Check the website for updated fees. Luckily, I have a yearly Colorado State Park pass. I don't really think this park would be worth going out of the way and paying the entrance fee. But either way, it's still great to get outdoors and get a hike in. That's going to be it for me today. Hope you enjoyed this video, but until the next one, I'm Dave Spates, Hiking Adventure Photography.